Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Hope you all in great health. Friends, do you know that your mouth is the gateway for a number of diseases? Your mouth health is very important for a good body health. Your mouth health and hygiene is equally important as your body hygiene. So friends, today we are going to discuss about some of your habits and have a quick assessment on how your habits are. If you are good on your score, then I'm very sure that you have a better and a no shy smile. Friends, remember, it is not only the crooked teeth that refrain you from smiling, but also that yellow stained, black and broken fractured teeth that prevent you from smiling. So, let us have this quick assessment and judge on how your smile is. Also, be very true to yourself. It is assessment which you are going to write and only you are going to see. So, don't feel shy. If you're not following something, give a wrong mark. If you're rightly following something, that's a good thing. Let us see on what and how much do you score in this oral health assessment.
Subscribe to the channel and stay updated about the tips and tricks for a great oral health. Press the bell icon, subscribe.
Okay, so here we start with the oral health assessment. And let me tell you that I am not here to hurt your feelings but to avoid you from the dental feelings. Okay, that was a very bad joke. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so now I will request you all to take a sheet and a pen. On that pen and paper, you are going to write your assessment score. So the first thing or the first question that I am going to ask you is, do you brush twice daily? Okay, there are a few people who might have complained, yes, I do brush twice daily, but still I am having or suffering from cavities. Why is that so? I will reframe this question. Do you brush in the right way twice daily? If the answer is yes, give yourself 1 point. Okay, here comes the next question. The next question is, do you eat right fruits and vegetables and avoid junk food or snacking? If you are eating right, then give yourself a 1 mark. The third question is, do you avoid things which can stain your teeth? That is, food like tea, coffee, red wine, etc. If you do avoid these things, then give yourself 1 mark. The fourth question of assessment goes, do you floss every day? There are many who don't know or might just not know what a floss or a flosser looks like. So I'm sharing a link. Here up you can see. Tap on it and then know what exactly is a floss and how is flossing done. So if you're doing it, give yourself 1 more point. Yes, you're doing well, I think. Do not hide. It's your assessment. Just be frank. The next question, I think that is question number 5. Yes. Do you use a mouthwash at least 2 to 3 times a week? If a mouthwash is not recommended by your dentist for daily use, then you should not use your mouthwash daily. It is only twice or thrice a week. Also, a substitute for mouthwash can be warm water plus salt rinses. But do you do it 2 to 3 times a week? If it is a yes, then score yourself 1 more point. The next question is, do you clean your tongue on a regular basis? Does your tongue look pink and healthy and it is free from the whitish yellow coat on it? If you do it regularly, give yourself a 1 mark. So the next question is, do you massage your gums daily? Friends, gums play a very important role. They are equally important as your teeth because they are the ones who keep or hold your teeth in position and in place. So the health of the teeth and the health of the gums both are equally important. So if you're massaging your gums on daily basis, give yourself a one more point. The next question is, do you rinse after every meal? That is, whatever you eat after every meal, do you rinse your mouth? If it is a yes, then put a tick mark. If it is a no, you know what is to be done. So now the next question is, do you visit your dentist every 6 months? Friends, it is very important to have your clinical assessment done. If there are some minor procedures which will your dentist be suggesting, then it is important that you undergo these procedures. So if it is a yes for every 6-month dental visit, put a tick mark. The last question is, which may be a self-assessment test, or after visiting to your dentist you would know about it. So now tell me that if you have any of unnatural teeth which is broken, or there is some food lodgement issue, there is any teeth which is having decay, or you can see some black holes and pits in your mouth, there are any stained yellow teeth, or you suffer from bleeding and swollen gums. Any of these tooth problems, if you are suffering from and you are avoiding them, not a good thing. If you have any one of it, then put a cross. There has to be a negative marking for this thing. So now I would like you all to calculate the number of yes and score yourself out of 10. Okay, I think you are done. Whatever your score is, don't be shy. Your score can always be improved. A great oral health score means a great hygiene and you are maintaining it a very well manner. Friends, now let me tell you that if you are somewhere lacking behind in this score, do not worry. Do not get upset, or do not just quit. There is always a way. What is the way? Start following all these things. Do you realize that all these steps are very easy to follow? You have all heard about it, but what you do is you refrain from following it. Friends, it is very simple steps which can easily be done at home. And these things, if you follow, they are going to give you a great smile and a great oral hygiene. Now, many of you would say, Mansi, it is very time consuming. I don't really have time to do all these things. Do you have just 5 minutes of your day for yourself? Yes, I'm right, it's just 5 minutes. It's 2 minutes of brushing, 1 minute of flossing, 1 minute of using a tongue cleaner and a mouthwash, and other 1 minute for the other things to assess. So it's just 5 minutes of your daily routine that you have to give for yourself. And do you know that this 5 minutes can save your lot of time, a lot of money, which you would spend at a dental clinic. So friends, why just not invest every day 5 in the morning and 5 at night? That is just 10 minutes. Can't you invest 10 minutes for your self-care and take a step towards a perfect smile? Yes, that's the spirit. You can do it, and tell your friends also to follow it. These steps are very easy to follow for everyone in your family members, from elders to the small child. Friends, remember that the tooth is the hardest substance in the body. Yes, that is a fact. So if this hardest substance gets damaged, it is not self-repairable. Then we have to use and take help of the modern science and technology. We have to take help of the dentist and the new medicines that every day are coming up and getting updated in the market. That is, you need to go and visit the dental clinic. Also, the last point, that if you have any of the oral health diseases that I have listed, These are the most common diseases. There might be some other also. So if you have them, that point can immediately be corrected. That assessment level can be made into a yes by visiting your dentist. So at the right time, at the right place, visit your dentist. Get the things done. Do not delay your things. Don't wait till you or your teeth start giving you a severe pain, because a severe pain means a severe loss of penny and time. If you are finding something which is quite a little disturbing, which is not normal to you, just at the right time visit your dentist. A small filling or just a small cleaning sitting can help you to get 100% oral hygiene. With this assessment test, I am very sure that you have understood on where and how part you were going wrong. Or I would say you were not really going wrong. Many of you didn't even know that these things exist. So it is important that you start following these things. I am sharing the links of the things that on how to brush, on how to floss, what exactly a floss is, that has also been shared there. How to use an interdental brush, a mouthwash, everything else has been mentioned in the links. So please feel free to click on the links and watch my other videos. This video, if you have liked, please share it with your loved ones. Help them to also undergo a small oral health assessment which can give them a brighter and a shinier smile. Friends, spread some love and show some love. If you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe here down. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified immediately as I post the video. Do not forget to like and to comment on how do you find this oral health assessment, and start following. Make sure that you do it for at least 21 days so that it becomes your habit. You rightly know that any habit to get installed in your body, it takes 21 days. So for just 21 days, you start following this oral health assessment things, and then comment down here how do you feel it. How refreshed do you find after following these steps? Thank you. Be healthy, be happy, and stay oral fit.